What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Robinhood Stock Market Investing video. This is Kyle, and in today's video, we're going to be going over my opinion, two growth stocks that, in my opinion, are going to be giving great returns in the future. I think that these companies have great business models that generate a ton of revenue, and they have huge upsides in the future. So without further ado, I'm trying to build a Robinhood stock market investing community around this channel, guys. So if y'all are new here and you invest on Robinhood and stuff like that, and I just like talking about, my future and finances, all that stuff really interests me. So if it interests you, make sure to subscribe and like the video. But let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. Enough jibber jabbering. The first stock that I'm going to be mentioning, you guys probably saw on my last video if you checked out my $7,000 Robinhood stock market portfolio. But the first growth stock that I think has huge upside is Costco. Now, Costco is they're a wholesale kind of company, just like Walmart. Walmart doesn't really do the wholesale thing, but it's kind of like a Sam's Club. So the thing about Costco is that in order to shop at Costco, you have to sign up for their membership. So every single month, you have to pay Costco a certain fee to shop there, and in return, they give you a discount on bulk items. So you can go there and buy all your food in bulk and stuff like that at a discount. And it's just a phenomenal business model because no matter if you shop there or what, if you shop there one time a month, you're still paying them that fee every single month. So it's just they're getting huge amounts of revenue every single month from all their paying subscribers that are paying to keep the Costco membership. So it's just a never-ending seam of revenue coming in, and it's just such a phenomenal business model. And a lot of their in-store departments are seeing extremely powerful growth. And I just think it's a phenomenal business model. And they actually just opened up a Costco in China last week, and they actually had to close the Costco down because it was so successful. The lines were so long that they ended up having to actually shut down the Chinese Costco because there were so many people lining up to go shop there. So this company, in my opinion, has a ton of just growth opportunity in the future, and they're not even nationwide yet. They're mainly up north in the west. I live in Florida, and there's not really any Costco's around here. So what happens whenever they expand nationwide and get to like every single state? I just think there's a ton of opportunity for this company. They pay a 9.92% dividend. Their PE is 37.27, so a little high, but that's kind of normal for a stock like this that is perceived to have a ton of upside in the future. So not too bad on there. I actually did pick up another share today for around $300. It's kind of on the high side. I would definitely like to buy it cheaper, but I've just seen it in the past. You just keep on waiting and waiting and waiting for these companies that make a dip, and they just never do. Even in the corrections this year, we saw Costco still just hang in there and hold its ground. So I just figured, enough wasting time. I'm just gonna buy the stock and hold it for years to come, and I might as well just go ahead and get on the train and just get some dividend money and just try to let it grow, because I feel like I'm just missing the opportunity and wasting time. So I just decided to buy another share today. Now I would like to buy it at a cheaper price, but I'm just gonna go ahead and buy another share. So I already bought one today for $300. We have 2 shares in it. Average cost is $290.98. And yeah, this stock is just such a great company. I feel like, I just think that it's going to do extremely well in the future, and I definitely want to add more positions on Costco. Now, let's go ahead and get into my next growth stock. This stock is going to be, I feel like it's going to do very well in the future, in my opinion, and that is going to be Visa. Now, if you like me, you notice, guys, we never use cash anymore. Like, we're getting away from cash in society. Nobody uses cash anymore unless you're, like a waiter or waitress at a restaurant and you get tipped in cash. But nobody uses cash anymore. Like, honestly, who uses cash anymore? We all use credit cards, debit cards. We all use plastic. And these companies like Visa, American Express, and MasterCard, I feel like have huge opportunities of growth in the future. And I just feel like we're just getting more and more and more away from a cash-based society. As a matter of fact, today, I don't even think we're a cash-based society right now. I feel like we're all using debit cards, credit cards. We never use cash for anything. We get direct deposits to our bank account. Nobody uses cash anymore. So I just think that Visa has enormous amounts of opportunity in the future to grow. That's why I bought a share today. It actually had a pretty bad day today. At one point, it was down 3%. or over 3% almost. So I did buy another share. I only have 2 shares of Visa right now. My average cost is 181.74. So I did buy this one kind of near the all-time high. So unfortunately, but I just wanted to go ahead and hop on it and just let it sit there, get some dividend money, and just like I said, I plan on holding this stock for like years to come. So it doesn't really matter where I buy into at this point in time. I mean, it does, but I don't think for the amount of growth that I think the stock is going to see in the future, I don't really think it's going to matter of when I buy it right now. If we go down, the market cap for this company is $403 billion. So pretty high market cap, but I still think that it has a ton of room to grow. The PE ratio is 36.97, so a little high on this one as well, but obviously this one is perceived as having a lot of upside in it, so it's going to be priced into that. They pay a 0.55% dividend. If we go down to the history, I think they did pay me a dividend, matter of fact. I did. They gave me a 25 cents, so you get 25 cents a share, so not too good, but it's just for owning the share, I'll take it. It's not bad. I always like companies that pay you dividends. And yeah, I just think Visa has a great opportunity to just have a ton of growth in the future. Like I said, I feel like electronic payments and just plastic is just the future. I think we're getting more and more away from a cash-based society, and I see this company making huge returns for me in the future, in my opinion. So that is it for this video, guys. Those are 2 growth stocks that, in my opinion, I think are going to do phenomenal in the future. And these are obviously my decisions. Make your decisions on your own. Do not take my advice. These companies could fail. Just because I'm saying that I think these companies have huge upside does not mean that they're going to do good in the future. That is just my opinion. But I hope you guys make good financial choices. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'm trying to build a Robinhood stock market investing community around this channel. So if you have any growth stocks that you think are going to do good in the future, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, guys. Let me know some of your favorite stocks. I want to know. I want to get this channel, involved in the Robinhood stock market investing community. And also drop a like on the video. It helps this video reach more people that invest in Robinhood and invest in the stock market, and it'll bring more people into the community. And yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.